Welcome to the channel. It is Malachi Emru, where we deal with agriculture and food and everything in between. In this video, I want to do some weed control. I am in my lettuce garden, and if you look, you can barely see the lettuce. And I'm going to do some cleaning, or we say weed control, manual weed control, that is. So join me as we clean this plot, or we clean as much of it as possible. Remember the channel to subscribe if you are new, and if you are an existing subscriber, please ensure that you like the video and comment. Please share it with friends and family too, so we can increase our viewership on the channel Malachi Emru. Let us go. This is going good. And these lettuce are planted with drip irrigation. It is not the strictest drip irrigation. It doesn't have a timer. It doesn't have a timer. So I will put the amount of water I think they need for a day or two, and that is based on experience, the time of the day and the size of the plant, and I allow it to gravity feed. And I have selective valves, so only the lines that have crops are irrigated. There are others outside of this barrier, and this barrier is put up to try and keep out some larger pests like goats. Show the black edge, are more like a blinder to these animals. So once they are not seeing the vegetable or the crops, they will keep away. Looking way better than how they were previously. Looking way better. In this time of age, we have to grow some of what we eat, because it's not going to be possible to grow all that we eat unless we have enough land space and we can bear our animals, so we can get all of the protein that we so need. And maybe we can plant all the vegetables and we can plant selective food crop. It's going to be difficult. clean as much as is possible. This video will show us how we clean. I go closer, clean, and then we remove the debris that we cut. So yes, we are weeding and weeding. How we say manual weed control. Some people look at it as physical, where it involves some amount of manual and a little mechanical. But we tend to say manual, where we use simple tools and hand to get rid of weed. Must be weed. You can see some clearer view of the seedlings. When we weed too, we control some of the insect like pests that are in the field. I have completed the process of weeding. Just letting you have a look. You can see the 4 pronounced row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us go through quickly. I have piled the debris from the weeding in between the rows. Soon as they cool or they start to dry a little, I will use them to mulch, especially those sweet pepper that you are seeing. There are a few sweet pepper inside, and this is a practice of, we say, intercropping. As I said earlier, that's another video. So there is the field. There is the field. One morning later, and we are at the plot that we clean up. That is, we did some weeding in the lettuce plot. Let us have a look at it now and see how it is one morning later. Yes, this was the same plot we cleaned yesterday. Now the weed or the debris is wilted, and now we can see lettuce, 4 rows of lettuce. So we can assess and say that weeding was done effectively. All right. Hope you find this video very informative.